Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to collaborate with brands on TikTok. Step 1. Optimize your TikTok profile. Make sure your profile is brand friendly. That means a clear profile picture, a bio that explains who you are and what your content is, and what you create as a content. And make sure you have consistent content with a niche, like fashion, fitness, comedy, etc. Brands want creators who know their audience and have a clear voice. Step 2. Grow and engage your audience. You do not need millions of followers, but you need engagement. Post consistently, use trending sounds and hashtags, reply to comments, and build a community. Even micro influencers with 1,000 to 10,000 followers get brand deals if their audience is active and loyal. Step 3. Create a media kit. This is like your influencer resume. Include your bio, audience demographics, engagement rate, past collaborations, and your TikTok stats. Canva has free templates, make it look clean and professional. Step 4. Reach out to brands. Don't always wait for them to come to you. Find brands you genuinely like. Look for their PR or influencer contact, usually in their IG bio or website. Send a short, personalized pitch explaining who you are, why you love the brand, and what you can offer. Example, you can send them, hey, I'm Zane, for example, and I'm a TikTok creator who shares skincare tips, for example, and I love, then mention their name, and you would like to collaborate on a fun, informative video. So this is a simple message that you can actually send them. Step 5. Use creator marketplaces. Sign up for platforms like TikTok Creator Marketplace, Collab STR, Aspire. These connect influencers with brands directly looking for TikTok creators. Step 6. Be professional. If a brand reaches out or says yes, be clear about expectations. Deliver content on time, follow their brief, and negotiate fairly. Even if it's just product based at first, building a good relationship can lead to long-term partnerships. And now I have told you exactly how to start collaborating with brands on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, and see you in a new video.